Welcome to Farmgate. I'm Julie Clark. It was a busy week for Saskatchewan agriculture, which means we've got a full show for you. We'll start by taking you to Western Canada's outdoor farm expo, Ag in Motion. And there's also an innovations competition.
Simple. You just pull the trigger and go. It's can't get any easier than that.
Pete Applin came to the show with his son. They were both impressed with the hoseless fence stapler.
Neat to see, not have to sit there and swing a hammer and miss and hit your thumb.
Exhibitors say selling outdoor farm products at an outdoor farm show makes a world of difference.
Here we could put up a chunk of fence. People can come and actually put staples in, pull staples out. You know, they can actually use it as if they were doing it out in the elements where they would be doing it.